your Chatterbox Juhi and you guys are watching Hathway BTV युवा क्योंकि ज़माना हुई द यंगस्टर्स का। वेल जोक्स अपार्ट, कई बार हम लोग कहते हैं कि यार तू बहुत गुस्सा होती है, तुझे मेडिटेशन करना चाहिए, तुझे प्राणायाम करना चाहिए, तुझे योगा ट्राई करना चाहिए, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हील होती है। बट वी नो ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन अ मे बी थियोरिटिकल फॉर्म, हम सिर्फ कहते हैं बट वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द एक्चुअल मीनिंग ऑफ दैट एंड मे बी द बेनिफिट्स दैट आर एसोसिएटेड विद दिस। सो मैं तो आज आपको नहीं बताने वाली हूँ, मैं आज खुद सुनने वाली हूँ, बट जो मुझे बताने वाले हैं इज़ नन अदर देन कैप्टन N.J. रेड्डी सर, हु इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ योग ध्यान विद्या आई थिंक। एंड सर, I have talked about meditation previously also, about planetary peace meditation, and it was like very new term for me as well. Yeah. So if we talk about particularly about meditation, कितना ज़रूरी है लोगों को अपने जीवन का एक समय निकाल कर मेडिटेट करना?
ये आत्मा नमस्ते to all of you, and nice you have asked a very important question. The first thing is meditation has not been understood clearly and yoga has not been understood very clearly. योगा का मतलब है यूनियन। आप पूछना चाहिए यूनियन, एकत्व, किसका किसके साथ एकत्व? तो इट इज़ अ यूनियन ऑफ द जीवात्मा विद आत्मा। जीवात्मा का आत्मा से एकत्व होना योगा है। इस योगा में अगर योगी पतंजलि के हिसाब से देखा जाए उसको बोलते हैं अष्टांग योगा। अष्टांग योगा में एक स्टेप है योग आसना, देन होगा यमा नियमा, दैट मीन्स हम लोगों को शुद्धता करना है, शुद्धिकरण करना है, डूस एंड डोंट्स। उसके बाद में प्रत्याहार, विड्रॉ फ्रॉम डीप अटैचमेंट्स, प्राणायामा, ब्रीदिंग, प्रॉपर ब्रीदिंग, अप डीप एब्डोमिनल रिदमिक ब्रीदिंग, धारणा, कंसंट्रेशन, ध्यान, मेडिटेशन, समाधि, दैट इज़ द फाइनल यूनियन। फाइनल यूनियन इज समाधि। सो अगर इंटीग्रेट किया जाए, योगा में कई सिस्टम हैं। यूनियन विद द इनकारनेटेड सोल, ऑफ द इनकारनेटेड सोल विद द हायर सोल, जीवात्मा का आत्मा से यूनियन होने का कई पद्धतियां हैं। अलग अलग पद्धतियों को हम संतुलित करके इंटीग्रेट करने का ज़रूरत है अभी, क्योंकि हमारा मेंटल डेवलपमेंट अब हो चुका है। तो फॉर एग्जांपल योगा में कई मेडिटेशन है। पहला तो भक्ति योगा है, यस, हम लोग भजन करते हैं, लेकिन इससे अत्युत्तम भक्ति योगा क्या है? हम सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु, धरती को आशीर्वाद देने में एक माध्यम बनना सबसे अत्युत्तम भक्ति योगा है। देन होता है राजयोगा। राजयोगा में हमारा जीवात्मा से आत्मा से कनेक्शन बढ़ाने का एक योगा है। सब में कनेक्शन बढ़ता है, इसमें खास करके कनेक्शन बढ़ाने का जो प्रक्रिया है इसको राजयोगा बोलते हैं। इसमें इच्छा शक्ति बढ़ता है। किंगली योगा, राजा मतलब किंगली, ही हैज़ टू परफॉर्म एक्शन। So it was a secret. So this secret meditation in a deep form is known as Raja Yoga, which is there in our system. Next is ध्यान योगा। ध्यान योगा मतलब, ध्यान योगा से पहले हम बताता हूँ कुंडलिनी योगा। हमारा जो कैपेसिटी है, ब्रेन है, मस्तिष्क है, नर्वस सिस्टम है, इसका अपग्रेड करेंगे तभी तो हमको ज़्यादा समझदारी आ जाएगी। हम लोग ब्रेन का कम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, इसका अपग्रेडेशन करना ज़रूरी है। हार्डवेयर अपग्रेडेशन कंप्यूटर का करना है, इसी तरह हमको कुंडलिनी योगा करना है। एक बार हम कुंडलिनी योगा करने साथ ही साथ में एक बार कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर इंप्रूव हो गया है तो उसका सॉफ्टवेयर इंप्रूव करना है, इसलिए ध्यान योगा करना है। हमारा अवेयरनेस, एक्चुअली ध्यान योगा इज़ रियल मेडिटेशन। हम अंदर झांक के देखना है हम कौन है, हम क्या है।
सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन।
रियलाइजेशन का मतलब हम कभी बैठ के सोच समझने की कोशिश करें हम कौन है, लेकिन हर आदमी ये समझने की कोशिश में सफल इसलिए नहीं होता है क्योंकि हमारा आभा मंडल, हमारा विचार, हमारा भावना है, हमारा तनाव इतना सारा है, इस सारा कचरा में से कोई चीज़ दिखता ही नहीं है।
That's what I'm asking because this is the big problem of youngsters, I guess.
इसलिए हीलिंग का ज़रूरत है। कर्म योगा, अगर हमारे पास क्षमता है आपका तनाव कम करने का, उसका इस्तेमाल करके आपका तनाव क्लीन निकालेंगे, आपका आभा मंडल शुद्ध करेंगे, आप अपने आप को, अपने तत्व को महसूस कर सकेंगे आप कौन है। ये ध्यान योगा है। लेकिन ये ध्यान योगा में आने से पहले हीलिंग ज़रूरत है, प्यूरिफिकेशन ज़रूरत है, हाँ, एक्सरसाइज ज़रूरत है। इसलिए योगासना में इतना स्टेप है।
Okay. Basically, when we say, sir, about the human beings, because we are affected by each and every emotion.
Yes.
We are angry, we are sad, we are extreme of all the emotions, and we cannot control them. And हम लोग फिर एक point of time पे आके हम लोग बहुत restless feel करते हैं. We feel deprived of many things. So क्या meditation and the correct yoga techniques you are telling us can help us to come above and all these?
Yes, the point is stress cannot be eliminated, stress has to be managed.
Management, that's
Yes,
great.
so we manage the stress when you increase your energy body, pranamaya kosha, you can handle more. When you are going in a small car with a small tire with a low power engine, if the road is rough, it is difficult to go. If you take a big car with a powerful engine with big tires, you can easily go on the same road. Road is same. Somebody succumbs, somebody does not succumb. What is the difference? One person has a stronger energy body. He can handle more stress. How do you develop stronger energy body? Pranayama, breathing, meditation. So you develop your energy body has to become not only bigger but denser. That nothing can penetrate you. Not only denser but subtler. Subtler means powerful. You must understand what is subtler is powerful. If you look in the form of physics, frequency is proportional to energy. If the frequency rises, energy rises. If you lift up a stone up, its potential energy is higher, same stone. If you take it to 10 stories higher, it has more energy. Same way, as you develop, evolve, improve your energy body, make it subtler, that means high frequency, means you have more power. And not only more power, you more connect to the source.
These they are all scientifically proven things.
Yes, it's absolutely proven things because we are not the body. We have the body. The body is impermanent. You, the one who is in the body, is permanent. The soul is permanent. The biggest problem is why we have come into this body. There is a purpose. Therefore, we have a responsibility to maintain the body, use the body, optimize the body because it's a limited time. When you go somewhere for a mission on a limited time, you plan well and go. So we have come into this body for a purpose onto this earth, for the evolution of the soul. So we have to make utmost use of it and make optimum utilization, make our physical body fit, emotional body fit, clarity of mind must be there, align with the group, perform the work for which you have come and go.
Well, sir, you are working into this field means more than a decade, I guess, and
22 years.
22 years, more than 2 decades, I should say. And you have started doing this when you were in your job, and you take the premature retirement, according to what I was discussing with him. Yes. So this is like you really wanted, because I think आपने खुद ने पहले खुद में analyze किया होगा, and then you wanted it to get aware by the people. So do you think that awareness and into a very positive and accurate line is very important about the kind of techniques?
You see, the necessity is the mother of invention. I was a migraine patient for more than 2 decades.
Oh my God.
When I came into this, I never got migraine for last 22 years. After 1 year, when I after every year I used to get 2-3 migraine attacks. In 1994, when I got into this system, in years' time, my energy body underwent change. Even without healing, it became all right. Then I said, what I am doing, I must do this, spread this thing. I was suffering for this, searching for solution for migraine for 20 years, and I just got it in now in my hand. It is good that I should do this work better than anything else.
Yes, people are physically also benefited. The kind of diseases that are not curable maybe by the medicines are then be cured by.
Actually, we are in a very big fool's paradise. Most of the ailments are psychosomatic ailments. Psycho means thinking and feeling.
Thinking and feeling that.
Soma means body. The thinking and feeling, we call stress, anger, fear, whatever, affecting your health. Breathing, hypertension, heart, asthma, cancers, tumors, ulcers, migraine. All these are psychosomatic ailments. If 95% of the ailments are today psychosomatic ailments, if 95% of the ailments are psychosomatic ailment and 5% is because of other factors, you have to handle 95% part or 5% part.
95.
You have to give more importance to 95% part. So Yoga Prana Vidya handles 95%, also this 5%. We will not leave that 5% because Asana Pranayama handles the 5%. Diet handles another part of the 5%.
That's great.
Yeah.
The best part that we're talking about is the healing. Everybody have grudges. Everybody have the deep down inside emotions. Maybe हम लोग कहते नहीं हैं वो physical हो या फिर वो mentally हो, पर कई ऐसे scars होते हैं that we don't show people. So healing means to heal those things. So does healing involves the actual healing of mind mind, body, soul, everything.
Yes, it is integrated healing approach. But when a patient who is very badly affected comes to you, you heal him. Because you have knowledge of the energy body, you heal him. Slowly integrate the person to practice all those things, and he becomes a healer.
Wow.
We empower them. So all our students are come to us with a situation. When
they need a healing.
Yes, when they needed healing. Now when they started healing themselves, then they became healers.
That's great.
We don't heal anybody for lifelong. We heal them for some time.
And then they start doing it by themselves. And they do it for others as well.
Yes. So there is the energy body. If you make the energy body all right, the physical body becomes all right. And because of this system is complementary. One important thing, complementary means it can go along with all other medical systems or whatever system it is. It is not alternative. It is not a replacement. It's complementary.
Yeah.
So it can go along with any system and it can go all by itself.
That's great, sir. ने एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी कही है, change the hardware, change the software.
And
that is your body. Yeah. Internet, Raj Yoga is the internet connection. That is, everything is required and everything has to be upgraded.
And you must have karma to have good internet connection. You don't have to have money for good internet connection, good computer and good software. Therefore, you must have good karma. It is in giving that you receive. Okay, so healing helps you generate karma. Blessing the mother earth generates karma. The way you have to improve the energy body to improve the physical body, same way earth has energy body. We are part of the earth energy body, our energy bodies. So if we bring a change in earth energy body, the earth become a better and better place to live, and peace will come to earth. So we want
that is
heaven
very
on earth.
important right now. That is,
And it will happen now. Nobody can stop it. It's in process. Can we accelerate it is a question. Can we make it sooner than later is the question. If we all cooperate, we can make it happen in our homes. We want every home has a healer who can either do breathing or meditation or healing and help himself and the family. A family which prays together stays together. When you meditate in a group, you develop faith. And faith is a great engine.
it may decrease the crimes that are going
Everything.
right now.
If energy is changed, crime is not possible.
Yes, true.
So let us, when the energy body is fine, physical body is strong. When the earth energy body becomes fine, there will be heaven on earth. Our aim is to have one healer in every family, that they bring heaven in their family. Then we will have heaven on earth, because we bless the entire earth.
That's great.
Okay.
So it was really inspiring session with you, because I can see the kind of brightness, the shine on your face, the kind of confidence, and maybe the kind of positivity he's carrying with himself and he's spreading into the people. Thank you so much, sir. It was really nice session talking to you. I wish you all the best in the kind of awareness programs you are doing for the public. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you. And may you interview people who got benefited so that you can spread that word. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for being
Thank you so much. Well, if we talk about healing, yogas and planetary peace meditation, there is a very big aspect of the people जिन लोगों को इन सब चीज़ों को, इन क्रियाओं को करने से फ़ायदा मिला है, and वो क्या कहना चाहते हैं, what the changes they have got in their life. Let's check it out that. Well, I have many people जिन्हें इसके बारे में नहीं पता होगा, but I have few aware people who know what they want to do in their life and who knows the correct techniques of doing the things. Sir, what's your good name?
I'm J.S. Chauhan.
Sir, you are practicing this meditation yoga since how many years?
I am doing it for past almost 10-15 years.
10-15 years. And the kind of change आपकी जो पहले का जीवन था और अब जो आप अपने आप को जिस स्थिति में पाते हैं, वो कितना चेंज ओवर हुआ है?
Okay, I just wanted to tell you that I not only manage myself, my job is to manage people.
Okay.
I am a behavioral psychologist.
Wow, that's
and
great.
I train the leadership of armed forces.
Wow, that's great.
Basically, I am an instructor.
Okay, so means the kind of knowledge you get it from here, you transfer to many people.
Yeah. First of all, whatever is this pranic healing is there, it is based on the scientific, and my background is I am MTech in electronics. So I analyze the thing whether it is fruitful or not. And after that only I adopted this. And it is like that, I first of all, like a battery, I charge myself. Then I discharge to the people. So then they get charged.
That's great.
So it is something like that in a layman's language. First of all, I heal myself. and I become pure. And then whatever additional energy I have, I disseminate to the people. And with that dissemination, they improve their energy level and they perform better. So it is all,
You are doing a great job, sir, because you are actually changing people's life. They're the kind of thinking, the scenario.
with the scientific analytical thing of this. It is not that Babaji wala trick and something like that.
It is science.
It is a scientific thing.
Yeah, that's the major thing. Ma'am, what's your good name?
श्रीमती किरण रावत।
किरण जी, आप कितने सालों से इसमें?
8 महीने से जुड़ी हूँ इसमें।
एंड 8 महीना एक छोटा टाइम है, बट मेजरली चेंजेस देखने को मिले होंगे, तो क्या एक बेनिफिट?
और मैं अलीराजपुर से हूँ, मेरा जॉब है गवर्नमेंट, मैं अकाउंटेंट हूँ, पर अभी मैं यही कर रही हूँ और मुझ में बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज आया है।
जैसे कि आप फिजिकली कुछ
भी, मेंटली भी, फैमिली में भी, इन्वायरमेंट में भी, अड़ोसी पड़ोसी में, सब में
अब थोड़ा सकारात्मक सोच ज़्यादा हो गई है। और बीमार कम पड़ते होंगे और चीज़ों को देखने का नज़रिया और अच्छा।
और सर्वाइकल और स्लीप डिस्क भी था मुझे
जी,
तो वो सब अच्छा हो गया। मैं एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर पाती थी, पर अब मैं कितनी भी कर सकती हूँ, 2 घंटे भी कर सकती हूँ।
आपका मतलब आपका इम्यूनिटी पावर बढ़ा है, प्लस आपकी स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ी है। दैट्स ग्रेट, क्या बात है। आपके चेहरे की स्माइल बता रही है आप कितनी खुश हैं इस चीज़ से। आप आइए। व्हाट्स योर नेम मैम?
रूपाली चौधरी।
रूपाली जी, आप कितने टाइम से जुड़ी?
मैं 2 साल से उसमें।
2 साल से हैं, मतलब अभी आप 15 साल की हुई हैं, आप 13 साल की थी तब से जुड़ी हुई हैं, बिकॉज शी इज़ लुकिंग सो क्यूट, शी इज़ लुकिंग सो यंग। व्हाट्स योर एज बाय द वे?
एक्चुअली मेरी एज 24 है।
नहीं, ये तो गलत बता रही हैं। अभी मैं सी बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ डूइंग मेडिटेशन इज आपकी उम्र का पता ही नहीं चलता, बिकॉज आई कैन सी द सर।
मेडिटेशन करने से सब कुछ चेंज
मेडिटेशन करने से होता है, बिल्कुल होता है। सो आपकी लाइफ में कितने चेंजेस आए?
मेरी फैमिली में बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट मिला है हीलिंग से, मेडिटेशन से।
आप खुद करती हैं और फिर सबको करवाती भी हैं घर में। वेरी नाइस। सो दीज आर द पीपल। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबडी। आई थिंक आप लोग बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और आप ऐसे ही करते रहें, बस यही चाहेंगे। सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट having a clear vision. It is all about knowing what is better for you and what is better for the people who are associated with you, and on a larger scale what is very much important for this society and for the nation. So कैसा लगा आपको हमारा आज का ये सेगमेंट? हमें फीडबैक ज़रूर दे, feedback@gmail.com पे। Till then, this is your chatterbox Joy signing off with the camera person Manish Rao Jaga ji. But you guys keep watching Hathway BTV, क्योंकि ज़माना हुई the youngsters का।